Yeah. His is Alan? Oh, that's a good name. How do you spell it?
Nice name. Sir,
Really?
the jockey of your girlfriend is Allen. Also, the name is Allen.
Hmm.
That jockey.
You know what that name translates to, right? Handsome.
Yeah. Handsome, the meaning of Allen.
Yeah. Handsome. Yeah. Germany.
Germany.
No, handsome. Yeah.
Handsome.
Ah, that's what it said in the book. Yeah.
Ellen. Ellen means handsome in Germany. Sir?
Yeah. Out of who? Oh.
Germany, nung 18, no? Pinakay niya eh. Pinakay niya. Kaya sumunod ako eh.
Papaya.
Papaya. For eyes, skin. Again.
Hello. Yeah. Can you imagine having to carve out all these paths? Hello. How are you?
Enjoy.
This is the best way to travel. Hello. Morning.
Ito sa station. Ano ka, Tigirle? Tigirle? Ano? Yatip? Yatip, para makuha ang picture mo na siya, no? Tubig? Ma'am, no? Ay, pagdi ka, walang tubig ka. Doon may tubig ka lang. Dito ka dito sa lang. Baka matulas dyan, ulan eh. Ay, sa salida ako, ang kaya mo na una. Ba? Kaya nga, ikaw? Eh, malaki ito eh. Eh, titin ako, pag hindi matulas yan, kaunti lang kasi ahon dyan, tariktin. No? Baka kaya dyan, baka makakasalida no? Hindi, pag may dumaan dyan, eh, okay dyan. Tabi-tabi lang yan.
So where do the pythons hang out?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Morning, they had it out tonight in the middle of the underground.
In the ground, huh? I need to adjust this real quick. Okay. We're good. Yes, sir.
Wrong way. Palya. Oh. Ngayon ka putang ina mo ka, tsaka dumaan hype eh.
Hello.
You alright? Friend Ali?
Oh yeah, of course. This is the adventure.
Yeah, me too. So, in your whole life, in your experience,
Yeah.
very good, it's very big.
You need a horse.
Okay, Chalya? Ikaw closer na, friend. Ang Chalya, ang closer. Picture ako doon. Can you breathe in?
Thank you.
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Meron yung dalawa. Sorry.
Wait. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. We have drinks. We have drinks. Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, sure. Yeah. What?
Your friend here, sir.
I'll be right back. How much is it?
100, sir.
100, huh?
Sir, with your friend coming up.
With my friend. Okay.
Your friend here. Your girlfriend.
Okay.
Sir, you want to go down?
Babe. Oh. Me sit down?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Alcohol beer?
No, I don't drink.
Coconut, gold. Sir, water. Pera na?
I'm gonna walk up.
Okay.
Or is she
Wait, wait. Your
She's coming.
girlfriend.
Okay. Okay.
Coconut, sir.
Some say King Kong lives here. This would be cool to go diving in.